I don't think this year was what any of us had planned, but when does a gardening season ever go as planned? One thing that we can all agree on is that this year has been unforgettable. Today we want to take the opportunity to share with you some of the ways this year has been unforgettable for us here at OSU. To start us off, Dr. Quetone Moss was named our new department head for the Horticulture and Landscape Architecture department. You may be familiar with Dr. Moss as he's done several segments on Oklahoma gardening related to turf grass and water conservation. Dr. Moss is well suited for this position as he has first-hand experience with all the roles that pertain to it. He received all 3 of his degrees from OSU and has a great appreciation for the role that the students play and their desire for learning. Over the past 12 years, Dr. Moss has gained first-hand experience fulfilling the mission of our land-grant institution of teaching, research, and extension. While Dr. Moss's schedule has gotten a little bit busier, he reassures me that he enjoys being a part of our show and will continue to offer segments to our viewers. Here is Dr. Moss to share with us about developments within our Department of Horticulture and Landscape Architecture.
Well, it's been an exciting year here in the Department of Horticulture and Landscape Architecture at Oklahoma State University. We've had a different year, but it's been a good year. And so our students have come in the fall and they have taken their classes and they have been in person. But we've also transitioned a lot to be online this semester. We're going to do that again in the spring, and our students are doing very well. We want to give them that hands-on experience, so we are doing our classes in person at like our new classroom at the Greenhouse Learning Center, which is a wonderful new facility here for our department. And the students love it. Not only do we have a brand new classroom, but also beautiful greenhouse facilities for them to work in and get hands-on experience. In addition to our new classroom space in the Greenhouse Learning Center, we're also getting a brand new landscape architecture studio for our landscape architecture students. And it's going to be in the 3rd floor of Ag Hall. It's currently under renovations and will be ready to go for spring semester. Right now we've got a little bit over 100 students in the program, and that's split up between horticulture majors and landscape architecture majors. And for this fall, we'll even have new options for them. They can now major in horticulture, science, and hort business, public garden management. We're going to have some new options like in urban horticulture. And by the way, we have a new faculty member to run that program, Dr. Bizin Hu. And we're really getting excited about some of our work in edible crops. And we have another new faculty member, Dr. Lu Zhang, focusing on pecans. And we have a new faculty member that's going to join us very soon. We're currently looking for a grape and wine extension specialist that will join us, thanks to some funding through Oklahoma Department of Agriculture. So hey, great things are coming. We're excited for the new year. Our students are going to be ready. Our faculty, staff, they're going to be ready. And I want to say thank you to our horticulture industry partners across the state for their continued support of our program. And what we're going to do is just have a great year, and we're going to advance the industry of horticulture for the state of Oklahoma.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.